Hi guys, it's me again. If you guys have Volkswagen Jetta from 2006 to 2010 or 11, so usually this car, when you jump start the car, the radio doesn't work. So you check everything, all the fuses for radio, and I think the best bet is you open the radio. You have to open the things for the radio box and stuff. When you take out the radio, they have a 10 amp fuse in the back of radio, you know so usually when you jump start the car, or your battery die, or anyway, uh, usually when you jump start the car, the fuse just burn, so you change this fuse and your radio, it's going back to work again. So I just try to help someone. Maybe it's helped somebody. All right, guys. Thank you.